Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a cool 59 Chevy Apache right here. It's had a body off the frame, custom restoration. It's got a modern Vortec motor, overdrive trans, air conditioning, good looks, painted in frost turquoise. Go to volocars.com if you want to read all the specs, and there's over 100 pictures you can look at. That's also where you'll find the prices of all of our collector cars for sale, is at volocars.com. If you like watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. The 59 Apache. Yeah, about 2,500 miles since this was built. They took the body off the frame. The frame itself is painted. It's smooth. It looks like a new frame, actually. And it's painted like a light gray color. Up front, it's got what looks like a Mustang 2 independent suspension. It's got tubular control arms, coilover shocks, rack and pinion steering. All that's new. In back, it's got leaf spring shocks that's been replaced as well. Brake system's all rebuilt. It has disc up front. You look up at the motor, it's clean. It's an aluminum oil pan, high torque starter. The transmission is a 4L60E. That's an electronic automatic overdrive transmission. Got a new dual exhaust system. It has dumps, turn downs right after the mufflers. And underneath the truck, everything's new. Every bolt, clip, everything under there is new. Custom gas tank as well. So the body is in really nice shape. This thing's from Alabama. There's no damage, no rust or issues. The door fits real nice. This is all smooth. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's that matte finish. It's frost turquoise. Has a visor over the windshield, new gasket, new mirror, no wipers. They might work, I'm not sure. Sometimes people just take them off for looks. But anyway, getting back to the body, it's straight. They didn't paint it flat because they're hiding anything. I can still see a nice, straight, clean body. All lines up nice. This grill up here, or this piece on the hood, I should say, is in really good shape. The bumper is new. Looks like halogen lights, new bezels. The turn signals are new. This piece here looks like it's in really good shape. Got some really nice Ridler custom wheels with performance tires. Those are good looking wheels up close. They're like a gray and aluminum, brushed aluminum. New door handles, new piping between the fender. All this is all metal. Inside the bed, got wooden slats, turquoise metal strips with stainless hardware. New tail lights, no bumper, nice clean look. New chains. Here's where they relocated the gas cap. It's a nice flush mount gas cap. All metal, done up real nice. Rear window looks like it's original, has some light scratches. And I love the white seats. So the whole inside of the cab was painted just like the outside. Got little panel inserts, new handles, cranks, armrests, new carpet on the floor. Love the white seats. It just looks great against this turquoise. They recline. Real nice center console with armrest and cup holders. So the motor is a 5.3 liter LS. It's a Vortec engine. It's got some nice looking valve covers, stainless steel headers, new power brake system, a serpentine belt, it's got power steering, got an aluminum radiator with an electric fan. The engine bay is obviously painted white, stainless hardware. Underneath the hood matches the turquoise. Has a custom air intake tube here, a new air conditioning system, batteries on the firewall where it should be. The hinges look new. Everything in here looks very clean and tidy. The controls for the heat and air are new. It's got a chrome tilt column with a really nice wood steering wheel. It's got a headliner, visors, mirror, dome light, all of that is new. A Lokar floor shifter. It's a good looking truck. Real nice new chrome instrument bezel here with some white faced gauges. It's actually a push button start. Turn the key on, hit the button. Oh, it runs nice. Got a little squeaky belt there, but it runs real good. All new wiring. I can see a new fuse block. The motor itself is quiet as can be, except for that one little squeak, which we'll try and figure out where that's coming from. Yeah, it runs nice. Yep, got this down in Alabama from a collector. He knows I only buy really good stuff. He called me up. He said he's got one that's pretty impressive, and I would agree with that. It's really done well. Body off the frame 2,400 miles ago. That's my impression of this gorgeous truck. Go to volocars.com. There's plenty of ways on there to contact and talk to our salesmen. If you have specific concerns or questions, they'd be happy to try and help you. You can also get this delivered anywhere in the country. They can help you with financing. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching our videos, subscribe to that YouTube channel, our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. That way you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.